Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to download and install fonts on your iPad. To do that guys, first of all you have to open your browser and download any font from it. So just you can install, first of all you have to download fonts from your browser. You can download from any website which support guys the fonts for your iPad. So I'll give the link of this website in the description, download from it. So I have downloaded one font guys from it in zip format, so we have to just extract it guys later. But before that guys, to install extension you have to install one more application. There's you have to install, so the process is a bit tricky, so you have to just follow me correctly. Now you have to just search for this font application and just download and install this application guys on yourself. Once you install this application guys on your iPad, just open it and just set up the application. Click on continue, and you just need to, or you can skip this and skip this, and we are here guys. So guys, once you install this application, now you have to files or the download in the font you have downloaded guys, or you can import the font from the Google font as well. So since we I just wanted to show you to download and font install on your iPad, so I'll go with this import file option guys first. But before that we have to locate our font file we have downloaded. So here's the file. So when you tap on this import, just select the font you have downloaded guys and click on OK. So it will extract all these files guys over here. Just select the file you want to, like I want this font file only, so I just tap and I just unselect the two other files and tap on import. And as you can see here, you can see your font over here guys. So to install it, you have to just tap on this install button next to the font to install this font guys on your iPad. So yeah, this is how guys you can do it. And if you have multiple fonts installed, you can select all and tap on install. If you like it, subscribe for more videos guys. Till